3R Solutions is your provider for customized software solutions for your automated, semi-automated, or manual pipe shop. We offer integration of our software with your new or existing workshop, completely digitizing the engineering, planning, fabrication, documentation, and monitoring processes. With our drawing application, you can either quickly create isometric drawings manually, or you can import them from a large variety of third-party CAD systems. The drawings are then split automatically into spools, and welds are automatically designated as shop or field welds based on customizable parameters. They are also categorized as manual or mechanized welds, depending on your workshop's capabilities. A bending feasibility check using our simulation software enables you to automatically exchange elbows for time and cost-efficient bends. You can easily obtain a worksheet containing a bill of material, a cutting list, and a joint list. A cost estimation report for material and work is generated for each spool. Our software connects to your warehouse and third-party ERP systems to ensure that there's sufficient material available for fabrication. In case of missing or low material, you're notified by our software. Prior to each shift, all required material can be palletized and distributed to the workstations. The workload for all machines and manual workstations is balanced evenly based on the cycle times for each material and size. Inside the shop, the operators log in via RFID chip or using their username and password, so every fabrication step can be tracked and documented. They can then access an itemized job list for their machine or workstation. All relevant details are displayed on screen, eliminating the need for printed worksheets. After each processing step, the status of the jobs are updated in the central database. With our mobile apps for smartphones and tablets, you can scan the finished spools and track status information for weld inspections, NDT, pressure testing, painting, and so on. The system provides real-time data about the current project progress, the current location of the material, as well as highly customizable reports for daily performance and other information. Project states can also be displayed in 3D for an intuitive representation of the current progress. The software also allows restricted access to specific reports that can be provided to externals. Our software framework provides many additional features, all geared towards maximizing the efficiency of your pipe spool fabrication. Available as a standalone version or integrated with a pipe shop project. If you want to take your pipe shop to the next level, then don't hesitate and contact 3R Solutions today for more information.